Salve a tutti! My name is Valerio Violetti and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Ballmatic 1000. So you can make ball from 100 grams to 1000 grams. So it's a machine that has been invented from Fabio Cagliari. So today we're gonna make three kind of different hydration. We're gonna start from 65%, after we're gonna jump on 70%, and after we're gonna finish with 75% of hydro. Let's do it! Let's start with 65% hydro. Here we go, the first one. Look at that, precise. So now 70% hydro. Look at that, look how smooth they are. It is, boom. And now we finish with 75% hydro. Here we go. So again, 65, 70, 75% hydro. So now I'm gonna show you even how it's gonna be easy to clean this machine. So first, stop the machine. We just take it off from the electricity. And now look at it, how it's gonna be easy. One, and two. So once it's clean, we're gonna put back. So you can't believe it, guys, how much gonna help you this machine, especially when you have to do huge quantity. Look, you do like this. Done. This one, once it's clean, done. Easy. Just go on the website of Ballmatic and let's buy this beautiful machine.